My name is Bewashi and I'm in grade 8. I attend Child Bilingual Institute, which is located in Ghana. The name of my project is Pulse Program. It is about a program to detect whether a person is wearing a nose mask or not, and also shows the symptoms and then the preventive measures of COVID-19. The program tells when a person is not wearing a nose mask, it will tell the person to put the nose mask on, and then shows the preventive measures of COVID-19, like to observe social distancing, wearing of nose masks, and then some symptoms like tiredness. And now I'm going to demonstrate my project.
Hello, young lady. Hello, madam. Have you heard of the COVID-19 pandemic? Yes, please. So then where is your face mask? My face mask is not here with me. You should always remember to wear your nose mask. Okay, madam. Wash your hands frequently with soap under running water and also use alcohol-based hand sanitizer to rub your hands. Okay, madam. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell, and if you have fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Do you know the symptoms of coronavirus? Okay, now you can with me. Some symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, dry cough, tiredness, severe headache, loss of taste and smell, difficulty in breathing, and chest. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms, and always call before visiting your Dr. Hayal's facility. There are other technologies that help to detect whether a person is wearing a face mask or not, like the face mask detection. Press spacebar to start the face detection program. Please put on your face mask. Thank you. Face mask detected. Thank you for wearing your mask.
So I used 3 sprites during my project. And then the first sprite, here are the coding. When green flag clicked, I took it from events. Show, I took it from looks. Then turn off video on stay with zero transparency, I took it from my blocks. That is the machine learning. Then set voice to auto, I took it from the test speech. And then speak, I took it from test speech. And then I took the wait 2 seconds from control. I also took the speak. Have you heard of the COVID-19 also from the test speech. Wait 3 seconds from control. Speak. So then when is your nose mask from text to speech? Wait 4 seconds from control. Speak. You should always remember to wear your nose mask from text to speech. Wait 3 seconds from control. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing from text to speech. Wait 1 second from control. Speak. Stay home if you feel unwell and if you have cough, severe cough and fever and difficulty in breathing. I took it from text to speech. Wait 2 seconds. I also took it from control, and then I took the wait 2 seconds from control. Do you know the symptoms of COVID-19 from text to speech. Then speak. Do you have the symptoms of coronavirus from text to speech? Wait 2 seconds from control. Okay, then let me tell you from text to speech. Wait 4 seconds from control. Speak. Some symptoms of COVID-19 for fever, cough, tiredness, severe headache, loss of taste and smell, difficulty in breathing, and chest pain, and difficulty in breathing from text to speech. Wait 1 second from control. Speak. Seek immediate medical attention if you have serious symptoms, and always call before visiting your doctor health facility from text to speech. And then my second sprite, which is Hazel, I took when green flag clicked from event, show from looks, set voice to squeak from text to speech. Wait 2 seconds from control. Speak hello madam from text to speech. Wait 4 seconds from control. Speak yes please from text to speech. Wait 3 seconds from control. Speak please. Please, my face mask is not here with me from text to speech. Wait 6 seconds from control. Speak okay madam from text to speech. Wait 9 seconds from control. Speak okay madam from text to speech. Wait 17 seconds from control. Speak no from text to speech. And wait 3 seconds from control. Speak okay madam. I took my third sprite is Toby. I took the first command, which is when space key press from control, hide from looks, set voice to auto from text speech, go to X -190, Y, turn off video on stay with zero transparency from machine learning. The reason why I brought up this program is to educate people about COVID-19 in order to save lives. Thank you very much.